Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 13 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to turn your iOS into Samsung Android system. So firstly, let's open Safari and enter this website. Tap this button and add to home screen. Tap add, enter this app, and follow next steps by clicking next, next, and let's go. Right now your phone is in Samsung's Android. You can test it, check it out, enter basic apps like settings, display. Remember that this is the test version, so many of features are blocked.
Hi, I'm Logan Dodds, a registered plumber who's made a living filming my adventures. So who better to show you around your new Samsung camera? After all, it's designed to turn anyone into a pro. Once you're on a real Samsung, you'll be able to simply swipe left or right to change modes, or swipe up to change cameras. Now in video mode, most of these settings might look familiar, but you might... So this is the More menu. This is where you find special features like hyperlapse, slow motion, and panorama. These are all pretty self-explanatory, but single take.
So, as you can see, now we are back to iOS. Feel free to test this system and app. It is really fun. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.